I mentioned this one because I get messages every day from salespeople on LinkedIn. And so I'm going to give you a fictitious email here. This email is all about the salesperson. Look at what I've highlighted here. This is who they work for. This is where they're based. This is how many years they've been in service. This is all the services they provide. Not only is the bulk of their message all about me, 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 this person's trying to schedule a meeting where he or she can talk to me more about them. They want to schedule a meeting to discuss their services. And my advice is don't make it all about you. This is the equivalent of going to lunch with a friend and all a friend does is talk about their own stuff and they don't ask you any questions about you or care about you. It's just a one-sided, self-absorbed conversation. And so if I go back to this slide, which you've seen many times talking about the SMART sales system, we've been comparing product selling, which is what the majority of salespeople do, and then what the majority of salespeople on LinkedIn do. And then I'm trying to get you to be more consultative. If someone's in product selling mode, they're going to send that message that I just sent, and they're going to be all about them because that message basically follows this flow. This is who I work for. This is what I'm selling. Do you need what I'm selling? I want to schedule a meeting with you to try to sell to you. That's a product selling email message. What I would say instead of doing that is instead of making it all about you in your messages, make your message all about the prospect. And the easiest way to do that, use the consultative selling approach. You're going to make it all about the prospect because you're going to talk about improvements that they might see or be interested in. You're going to talk about pain points they might have. You're going to ask them questions. You're going to share examples and whatnot. So this is going to be a more all about them approach